Johnson here. We're playing at the Doghouse DCS server. Strike 4.1 map, Area 2. We're going over the MI-8's mission objectives in the area, transporting infantry from the forward operating base Perth to the frontline drop zones. I'll give you tips and tricks about the map. Like and subscribe. Hope to see you on the game server. Let's get started. Okay, again, we're flying out of the forward operating base Perth, transporting infantry to the nearest city to clear out the red guys before it gets dark. Alright, so let's load up some troops. You want to go to your comms menu, parent menu, airborne troops, embarking, and select the troops that you want. In this case, we're going to take Perth Ranger 1 and Perth Ranger 2. So just click on him. Okay, they're on their way. Go back in and select number 2 as well. They're on their way. Alright, I'll just wait for them to load up. Now I only take half fuel in these things. The front line's pretty close, so you don't need much more than that. It's a lot easier to fly with half a tank. Okay, I do believe everyone's on board. Okay, let's go. Alright. Now, having the troops mark the drop zone hasn't been working lately, so I'm not going to bother trying. Stuff always comes and goes with the updates. So I'll show you where to drop them though. We'll try the markers, but I doubt they'll work. Yeah, we should see that marker. It's right. It should be right over there. But anyways. I'm not very good outside of VR as far as landing these things go, so but let's give it a whirl. Right at the edge of that city, right in that clearing to the right. And then they'll move into the city and do the best they can against the Russian infantry in there. Or the red guys. Alright, not bad. Alright, so to unload them, go back to your comms menu. Airborne troops, disembark. And then select them. There we go, there's the first group. Go back in. There's the second group. Now they're going to go take that city. We're going to go back to the Perth base and grab some more infantry and capture that forward far base Warsaw. Alright.